Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. In today's tutorial, I'll be creating a Pinterest inspired eye makeup look that blends gorgeous cool blue shades with a touch of glitter for sparkling effect. This tutorial is super easy and you can achieve this glitter look in less than 5 minutes. So make sure to watch the rest of the video and let's get started. To start, I'm using a combination of light blue and black eyeshadows. I dip my brush into both colors and tap off any excess. You can use a dark blue shade, but I really love the blend of these two colors, so I chose to mix them. I applied the shadow only to the outer corner of my eyelid using a fluffy brush, which is commonly known as a Crease brush. You can use any blending brush that you find more comfortable. Just make sure to blend the shadow well with sweeping motions to avoid any harsh lines. I continue applying the remaining eyeshadow on my brush from the crease of my eyelid towards the inner corner. There is no need to fully cover the inner part of the eyelid with shadow. Just follow this technique to achieve an amazing soft blue smoky eye effect. Next, grab your favorite concealer. Because we're going to do the cut crease technique, it's best to use a concealer that dries quickly and has a matte finish as it won't spread while applying. Using a small flat brush, I apply the concealer starting from the inner corner of my eyelid, leaving a small gap, and continue to the middle of the lid. If you have trouble with the cut crease technique or aren't sure how to do it, I recommend watching the video I will link above after finishing this one. I use a cotton swab to fix the lines created at the inner corner of my eyelid, and for the middle of my eyelid, I use my finger to smooth out any harsh lines. If you notice that you've lost some of your eyeshadow, feel free to touch it up with your brush. Next, I'm using white loose glitter because I think it looks shinier and more dazzling than glitter eyeshadow. For applying this, you can use glitter glue beforehand or dampen your brush with setting spray or water. I apply the glitter precisely along the cut crease line at the top with a small brush, which looks really attractive and pretty. I also apply glitter under my eyebrows and at the inner corner of my eye. I think it looks absolutely stunning. I again use the combination of blue and black eyeshadows with a small flat brush to apply to my lower lash line, extending the shadow to the middle of the lower lash line. Next, I use a lighter blue eyeshadow from this palette and apply to the lower lash line just below the previous shadow. This shade is absolutely stunning as it adds a beautiful pop of brightness that contrasts perfectly with the darker tones. I use eyeliner to complete the eye makeup. This combination of eyeshadows is truly beautiful. For this eye makeup look, you can use your favorite eyeshadow palette. I'll provide the details of the products used in the description section, so feel free to check it there. I use false eyelashes and our eye makeup is complete. Thank you for watching the video up to this point. This cool toned eye makeup look is perfect for winter or special occasions, so be sure to try it at least once. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in makeup and beauty content, I post tutorial videos every week, so be sure to subscribe to my channel to not miss any future videos. I truly appreciate your support. Love you all. See you in the next video. Bye bye.